According to rumors, Vivo is working on the Vivo Pad 3 series of flagship tablets for the Chinese market. The standard model is set to feature upcoming Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset. The Pad 3 Pro will be the first tablet to feature the Dimensity 9300 chipset. Since the chipset of the standard model has not been officially announced, it is speculated it may debut a bit later. On the other hand, the Pro variant is expected to debut with the Vivo X Fold 3 series of foldable phones in the last week of March in China. In the previous week, DCS leaked the key specification of the device, but he didn't release the battery size. Yesterday, the tipster released a Vivo post to reveal the battery capability of the Pad 3 Pro as well as share the other specification. According to DCS, the Pad 3 Pro will feature a 11,500 mAh battery with 80 watts of fast charging. On the front, the device will have a 12.95-inch LCD screen that produces 3K resolution and up to 144Hz refresh rate. The Dimensity 9300 powered chipset will have 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It will ship with Origin OS for Pad based on Android 14. It's expected to provide a seamless connectivity with other Vivo devices. In addition, the tablet can use the mobile network to make or receive calls and messages. The rear panel features a 13-megapixel camera while the front has an 8-megapixel camera. DCS shared an image of Vivo tablet, which is not the Pad 3 Pro but the Pad Air, which is that launched in 2023.